हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशन वीडियो में मैं आपको DAV क्लास 7 इंग्लिश रीडर के यूनिट 6 यूनिटी एंड डाइवर्सिटी के सेक्शन ए का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, इससे पहले और भी चैप्टर पे सॉल्यूशन वीडियो अपलोड है। यदि आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा और ऊपर आई बटन पर मैं वीडियो दे दूँगी, तो उन वीडियोज़ को ज़रूर देख लीजिएगा। तो चलिए इस चैप्टर के सॉल्यूशन को देखते हैं। Make a list of a few foreign countries and their natives. Country Japan, native Japanese. Country China, native Chinese. Country America, native American. Country India, native Indian. Country France, native French. Next देखते हैं। Working with your friends, find out some similarities and differences between the various natives that you have mentioned in E2. Similarities: breathe the same air, eat food, have emotions, sleep and rest. Differences: physical features, language, dress, eating habits. Next देखते हैं। On the basis of your reading of the above poem, complete the summary given below by filling each blanks with one word only. The poet feels that no man in this world is strange and there is no country which is foreign. All of us have the same body under varied uniforms. We all need the same land to walk upon and we all will be buried in it after death. All of us share the same sun, air and water given to us by nature. We all grow well on the food of harvests and are adversely affected by long winter. Every person in this world has same hands as we have and labor in the same way as we do. They wake, sleep and see the world with the same eyes like us. The poet further says that every power or force in this world can be conquered by love. Life in every land is common. The poet also blames the humans for defiling the earth and for outragging the nonsense of the world. In the end, he again reminds us that we all are same and no one is foreign. On the basis of your reading, answer the following questions. What does they refer to? They refers to soldiers belonging to enemy side. Explain strength that can be won by love. Even the strongest person can be defeated by love. Next question है, what is the poet trying to convey through the above stanza? The poet James Kirkup is trying to say that all men are equal. Even those we call our enemies are human beings like us that feel pain. Next देखते हैं stanza B. How do we defile the earth? We defile or destroy the earth by creative war and throwing bombs. What does hells of fire and dust refer to? It refers to heat and dust that is generated due to bombs and other weapons of destruction. Next question है, why does the poet say air that is everywhere our own? The poet means to say that the air we breathe is everywhere the same. Explain the following. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. The soldier fighting in the war may be wearing uniform of enemy, but he is also a human being like us. Are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter saturate. The earth flourishes during peace time, but it turns barren during war times. Their hands are ours. Every person has been given same type of body by God. 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 feet, and so on. Hearts justify the title "No men are foreign." The poet feels that human beings all over the world are same. They have similar bodies and breathe the same air that we breathe. They have same kind of feelings and emotions as we have. They live on the same earth. God never created boundaries. These were all created by human beings. Life skills. Warfare is expensive but peace is priceless. In the wake of the above statement, suggest ways to promote peace. Let's promote peace. Let's be tolerant. Government of different nations can sit together and find a solution. There should be an open platform where discussions between nations takes place. No nation should ever think of war. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आप किसी और चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन या सॉल्यूशन वीडियो चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए और वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।